So guys, once again, welcome back to our YouTube channel. As promised, we are back here with you guys with some exciting stuff. In this video, we are going to discuss the morning routine of highly successful people. Before getting on to the topic, let me tell you that whatever we are going to earn through this video, we will donate 9% of it to the education of unprivileged children. In fact, 9% of the total earning from this channel. Our vision is that every child will be educated by the end of 2034 in India. If you want to join us and be a helping hand in our journey, then do subscribe to the channel. Morning routines can lead to day work efficiency in a productive way, as they can make you feel good in a run by removing the decision-making step, which helps to save your time as well as energy to do such work. Many successful people start their day with some rituals they follow officially called morning routine. Since most of the world's most famous, creative, and successful people depend on their own morning routines to have their days being better and reliable as can be. If you resist your morning wake-up call and hit snooze, you might become far from becoming successful to create a better habit. Number 1. Stick to a ritual. It can be lighting a candle or washing your face, whatever you do in the morning. Make it a habit which will start the beginning of a new day with good vibes. Following a proper ritual will help you in being accountable. Successful people follow the ways they create for themselves in every situation. Since some people do not understand the meaning of sticking to a ritual, let me tell you. The ritual does not mean you need to hit each morning at the gym. The ritual is the consistency you work on for. It's a simple act, but doing it the same way each morning makes it repeatable, easy to do. So try to make a good starting way to start your day and do it on a daily basis with full consistency without any excuse. Number 2, make your to-do list. Decision making is a must concept while making a successful routine. While sleeping before the next morning, so you can say the previous night, you can add up to or delete your contextual to be the left work and can complete to-do list for tomorrow, so that you do need not to worry about how much work and can complete your tasks. Just make order-wise corrections on your to-do list, and at the end of the day, check your work completeness and get it completed by the next day. Number 3, meditation. The most important routine you should add in your morning, as it is the most esteemed and helpful practice. It can help you control anxiety and stress. And it can also boost self-awareness and the ability to concentrate. Since scientifically meditation helps you to have great focus without overthinking a particular instance, the body gets relaxed and deep breathing makes you feel more comfy to work efficiently for the rest of the day. It releases endorphins, which are stress relievers and make you feel happy. Number 4, physical exercise. Physical activity or exercise can improve your health and reduce the risk of developing serious diseases like type 2 diabetes, cancer, and cardiovascular disease. Physical activity can increase, and exercise have immediate and long-term health benefits. Most importantly, regular activity can improve your quality of life and help you be motivated. Number 5, practice doing some daily affirmations. It is important to give yourself time to affirm and increase your self-esteem. It will bring you more prosperity. It will not only bring a feeling of being worthy, but also a sense of equality with other people. Thus, if you start practicing this daily in the morning before the mirror by reciting on a daily basis, you would know the difference. Thus, it is one of the most important rituals you should start accepting. Number 6, practice gratitude. It means when there exists the feeling of being grateful or of wanting to give thanks to somebody, it is one of the many positive emotions. It's about focusing on what is to be or what had been good in our lives and the practice to be thankful for the things we have. Gratitude is to pause, to inspect and appreciate the things that we often take for granted, like being to have a place to live, food, clean water, friends, family, and even computer access. Since there was a proven research in psychology and neuroscience, which has shown that while practicing daily gratitude, it can be a good and game-changing activity for you. It can be a transformative habit for your career and personal life. Thus, you need not worry and give yourself some time for yourself. Number 7. Read a book. Many people know that reading is a habit that not only helps to calm the mind, but also gives your vibe to your morning routine. Rather than scrolling social media all the time on your phone first in the morning, try making reading a book or an article a habit instead, which will enhance your knowledge. You get all the benefits of reading first thing in the morning. Reading is important because it develops your mind and gives you excessive knowledge and lessons about life. It helps you to understand the world around you better. It keeps your mind active and enhances your creative ability. Communication skills. Reading improves your vocabulary and develops your communication skills. I would suggest you guys read the 3 books which are mentioned in the description for more enlightenment on the following topics. Now with this, let's move on to another tip to start your day with. Here we go. Number 8. Journal. The act of writing your thoughts is another way for successful people to deal with their obstacles, as it brings clarity to their thoughts with more solutions. This will improve your decision making and hence will help you to be productive and consistent with yourself. Morning is the optimal time of the day for stream of consciousness daily practice. Your morning brain is fresh. Write your pages before you fill your head with any outside influences. Hence, it will be beneficial for you to journal the following routine. Number 9. Drink lots of water. It might sound strange, but drinking a glass of water in the morning can make a huge difference in your life. Hydrating yourself can lead you to the great aspect of good health. Water helps to remove waste from your body, which will indirectly regulate your body temperature and protect those sensitive tissues. Dehydration can be caused at night and hence can be removed through morning hydration. It will improve the look and health of your skin and even a new jumpstart to your metabolism. Number 10. Eat a healthy breakfast. Health is the first priority, and a healthy breakfast can help in giving you the power to deal with throughout the day. Behind this, there is the scientifically proven fact that the benefits of water. Many successful people have made a breakfast a key part of their morning routine. Number 11. Start working out without any delay. Since all these steps will help you in making decisions about what to do and what not to do in your morning, but after, then you need to start without any delay for more productivity and efficiency in your day. Hence, hope if you want to have this routine, try to adopt new habits and start focusing on yourself. Just have faith and you will win. You just need to believe and see the magic around you. Hope you are liking this video. If you like our efforts and want more such videos, please comment, share, and like this video so that we can get the motivation to work more and bring such content according to your choices. You are also requested to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. Now, it's time to bid goodbye to you guys. We will meet you soon with many more classy and informative videos which will help you to be a successful morning person, and hence, as a result, it will benefit you the whole day. Till then, goodbye and take care of you and your family. We will come back with another blockbuster soon. Till then, keep being with us and support too.